けの夢をかき集め探し物を探しに行くのさ One Piece
Welcome back, fellow explorers. As you have seen me in the last video, I am Nami, your navigator to the Python series. Hope you have enjoyed the last video of comments escape and print statements. Let's move towards the next island, that is variables and data types. In Python, variables and data types are fundamental concepts used to store and manipulate data. Now, let's move to VS Code to start programming. You will get many videos on YouTube to learn how to install VS Code, so I am not going to waste your time on that. In Python, a variable is like a container that holds data. Let's consider our captain, Luffy. Now we are going to start some coding. Let's create a variable named Luffy that holds a value Pirate King. Now when we print Luffy, it will return Luffy as Pirate King. That means it holds the data assigned to it. Let's assign myself as Navigator and print it. See, it shows my occupation when I print my name now. Let's implement what we studied in last episode. Let's comment out Luffy. Now it just shows the navigator, which means the Python ignored Luffy and focused on me. Now let's move on to data types and see what it is. There are different types of data types. First is integers are whole numbers with no decimal point. They can be positive or negative, including 0. Example, 300 minus 1 minus 2. Then we have float, which is denoted by float itself. Floats are used to represent numbers with a decimal point. They can also be positive or negative. Example, 3.14 minus 0.5, 2.0. Then it comes strings, which is denoted by str strings, are used to represent text and are enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes, such as Monkey D. Luffy, Roronoa Zoro. Then there is Boolean, which is denoted by bool. Booleans represent truth values, either true or false. They are often used in control statements and logical operations. Example, true, false. We will study about lists, dictionary, sets, and tuple in different episode because these are much more interesting topics to cover. So we will learn about these in detail. My fellow crewmates, as you have learnt variables, data types, and print statement, there's a task for you to implement. Create a Python program to display a One Piece characters bounty poster. Use comments, escape sequences, print statements, data types, and variables. Your code should be flexible and work for any One Piece character you choose. Let's see how many of you do it right. That's all for this coding adventure. Let's set sail to new coding challenges and discoveries in the next episode. Remember, like a good navigator, always stay curious and never stop learning. Until next time, see you on the next Code Island. Ma.